What's going on, guys? This is the moment we have all been waiting for. That's for Elon Musk and Tesla to finally give us those numbers of how many cars they delivered in 2019. And the numbers are finally out, and I'm sure most of you know the numbers by now, but we're going to be taking a look at these numbers, taking a look at Tesla, taking a look at their charts and how well they're doing today. And of course, Tesla has overpromised, and once again, they have over-delivered. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. What do you guys think about Tesla for the future? Does this mean they're gonna go above this number next year? What's your predictions for how many cars Tesla will deliver in 2020? I definitely think they're gonna be higher because once again, they're gonna be releasing a new vehicle this year, Model Y. So we're gonna be talking about that in this video. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this video started. So before we catch up on the latest news, we're going to take a look at Tesla charts real quick and see what happened today or this morning. So as you can see this morning, Tesla had a huge run, a huge gap up all the way from $430 to almost $440. So that was a $10 gap up and immediately rose to their new record highs, which is at $454, which is their daytime highs and their new record highs for Tesla. Ever since that liftoff, Tesla went down to 444 and has pretty much been trading sideways ever since. Tesla is currently up 3.71% and sitting at $446.23 per share with a market cap of $80 billion.48. And of course, there's a reason as to why all this is happening. And I have talked about this in my previous videos. There was my previous video where I said Tesla will deliver more than 100,000 vehicles. And then there was a video after that where I said Tesla will deliver 369,000 vehicles in 2019. And this was actually really close, and we're going to get right into the numbers. So right here it says the company said it delivered 112,000 vehicles during the fourth quarter, above the FactSet consensus of 106,000 vehicles. So the total includes 92,500 Model 3s and 19,450 Model S's and X's. One of the more surprising numbers here is the 19,450 Model S's and X's sales have gone up. I would have expected Model S's and X's sales to go down, mostly because the Model 3s would be the more popular, more cheaper model to purchase. And surprisingly, Model S's and X sales are going up, which is a very good sign for Tesla. So that pushed deliveries up to 367,500 vehicles in all of 2019. So Elon Musk promised us he was going to deliver 360,000 to 400,000 vehicles in 2019. And right here, he delivered 367,500 vehicles in 2019. So at this point, it's like, what are bears going to say about this company? Elon Musk overpromised, they over-delivered the whole year. Everyone was doubting Tesla. Bears were saying they weren't going to do it. There was even a recent article that came out, and they said that they were going to fall short by like 6,000 vehicles. And here they are, they over-delivered 7,500 vehicles above their bottom estimate. And I'm just wondering what the bears are gonna say. And I've actually been reading some comments. Here's a few comments from some short sellers or from some bears. So Q4 numbers were so good because they pulled forward all the Q1 demand stock set to crash in 2020. That's pretty funny. And here's another comment by a bear. Tesla emptied the QE in the fourth quarter. We were hoping for this. NL sales will go to zero in Q1. Revenue was down in Q3 year over year. No US tax credit in 2020. Growth story is dead. They had to cut prices in China. They have no proprietary technology of any kind. 86.5321% of Tesla's profit was due to credits. The BEV market is 2.038193% of global auto sales. It's a hobby. Take the train or ride a bicycle. And that right there is a true bear. It doesn't matter how Tesla performs. Doesn't matter that they hit the ball out the park. Doesn't matter that they overpromised and over-delivered. This guy's still super negative about the company, still believes Tesla is going down. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on what these bears think about Tesla. I find it kind of funny and entertaining, but you guys let me know. So the 367,500 vehicles that were delivered in 2019 is 50% above what happened in 2018, which shows one thing, that Tesla is growing massively year by year. For a company to deliver 50% more 1 year later shows a lot of growth. And it just has me questioning what's going to happen next year. How many vehicles will Tesla deliver in 2020? My guess is they're going to be getting closer to that 400,000 vehicles delivered in 2020. And not to mention, in 2020, they have a new vehicle coming out, the Model Y, which will most likely increase the amount of cars sold and delivered. So I just want to take a look at Tesla stock and their performance in the past year. And right here we have Tesla in the beginning of 2019 starting off at $300, and year over year Tesla has gone up 48.16% in the past year. And if we remember when Tesla went as low as $180, since then Tesla has gone up 148%. So Tesla has been on fire in the past year, and since May 31st when Tesla hit their 52-week lows, Tesla stock has more than doubled. Another important thing to be looking out for Tesla, which will probably bring the share prices up even higher, will be their earnings, which is expected to be reported on February 18 of 2020. So their next earning reports will be February 18th of 2020. I will try to have their earnings call posted on this channel. You guys can listen to the whole earnings call, and I'll obviously be making a video on their earnings. And after these earnings, of course, depending on the results of these earnings, I do think this could even possibly push Tesla stock even further. So now looking at a $500 price target for Tesla doesn't seem ridiculous anymore. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. At this point, nothing is guaranteed. Don't forget, this channel is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. Always make sure to do your own due diligence, do your own homework, and make sure you invest at your own risk. Anyways, that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. What do you guys think about the 367,500 vehicles delivered in 2019? What do you guys think about 2020? How well do you think Tesla's gonna do? Do you guys have any predictions for the next upcoming earnings? Do you think Tesla's gonna do well in their earnings or do bad? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions on this company. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye. So for now, things are looking really good for Tesla. We're just going to catch up on this news right here, which is Tesla rallies as Concord's lifts target to $515 on EV growth. So Concord at one point had their price target for Tesla at $375, and they recently raised the price target to $515, which is one of the highest on Wall Street and near the street high view of 530. The average price target is about 302 according to Bloomberg data. So the move comes ahead of Tesla reporting fourth quarter delivery numbers. Concord analyst Jed Dorsheimer, who reiterated a buy rating on the stock, expects that data will validate the trend of higher electric vehicle adoptions. So we suspect a solid Q4 combined with a robust Q3 should put these fears to rest, he wrote to clients. He expects Tesla will report nearly 369,000 units delivered over 2019, which is above the company's own guidance of 360,000. So I've already made multiple videos of this number, this magical number that Elon Musk has told us that Tesla will deliver 360,000 Teslas in 2019. And we are so close to seeing these numbers come to life. And according to this analyst, Tesla will be delivering close to 369,000. And if this becomes true, that means that Elon Musk overpromised and they over-delivered, delivering 9,000 vehicles more than what they promised, than the bottom range of what they promised. But either way, just because he's saying Tesla's going to deliver nearly 369,000, nothing is written in stone. This isn't 100% guaranteed. This is strictly speculation. But I would not doubt that Tesla will deliver 360,000. But I'm just showing you two sides of the story, because the other day there was a short seller who was saying that Tesla will not deliver 360,000. They actually said Tesla will deliver 354,000 or 55, something around that range. And right here we have an article of an analyst saying that Tesla will deliver above expectations. So we have one analyst saying Tesla won't do it, one analyst saying Tesla is going to do it. Who is going to be right? Elon Musk, Tesla? We are waiting for these results. And I honestly believe that Tesla will go above 360,000, but just because I believe it, just because this analyst says so, doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen.